welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Head of Congress Screening Committee Oscar Fernandez refutes charges that Congress has allotted tickets under pressure. Says Congress has considered strategy to bring party back to power. Congress gets into damage control mode. Shantaram Biswajit take on the BJP. A special report on how rebels can upset equations of major political parties. Will these rebels cost expensive for the parties who denied them tickets? The world turns pink on Valentine's Day. People across ages celebrate the festival of love. And in sport, National Level Open Martial Arts Championships held in Kalangut. St. Joseph's High School from Kalangut qualified for the national round of Tata T Inter Milan Talent Hunt. And now the news in detail. Head of Congress Screening Committee Oscar Fernandez has refuted charges that Congress has allotted tickets under pressure due to lobbying by heavyweights. He says the Congress has considered winnability and overall strategy to bring the party back to power. He was speaking in an exclusive interview with Prudent. He also said the party is in discussion with the rebels to make them withdraw their nominations.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फैमिली कैंडिडेट को दिया है, उनमें से कम 5 फैमिलियों को 11 टिकट्स दिया है. वैसा क्यों सर, क्यों ये सिचुएशन कांग्रेस के ऊपर है?
ऐसा कांग्रेस के ऊपर सिचुएशन का बात नहीं, ये चुनाव का बात है. इसलिए हमारा पार्टी का किसको खड़ा करना है, ये हमने लोगों का राय लिया, पार्टी वर्कर्स का लिया, पार्टी लीडरशिप का राय लिया, और चुनाव में लड़ना है, जीतना है, तब भी हमने देखना है इस सिचुएशन क्या है. ये सारा देखते हुए हमने ये निर्णय लिया.
कई जगह पे फैमिली के कैंडिडेट को टिकट दिया है, वहाँ के एग्जिस्टिंग एमएलए जो है उनको साइड में रख के टिकट दिया है, ऐसा क्यों सर?
नहीं, ये हमने बोला ओवरऑल पिक्चर हमने देखना है, ओवरऑल स्ट्रैटेजी हमने देखना है. ओवरऑल स्ट्रैटेजी में कुछ लोगों को फ़ायदा मिलता है, कुछ लोगों को उसमें नुकसान भी हो सकता है.
सिटिंग एमएलए थे, वो कैपेबल नहीं थे इस चुनाव के लिए.
This is a strategy. Whether there is a capability of one person winning in a constituency or we have an overall chance of winning in the state are also weighed simultaneously. So if we work out a strategy on the overall thing that we have to win, we have to go by our decision. टिकट वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का लोगों को देखते हुए निर्णय लिया. किसी ने बोला इसलिए हम लोगों ने टिकट नहीं दिया. ऐसा होता है तो लॉबिंग सब लोग करते हैं, ये मुद्दा नहीं है. द विनेबिलिटी एंड द कमिटमेंट, लॉयल्टी, हार्ड वर्क टू द पार्टी, ये सारा देखते हुए हमने लिया.
नेक्स्ट ईयर विल बी द प्रताप सिंह राणे.
द क्वेश्चन इज लेफ्ट टू द लेजिस्लेचर पार्टी. Legislature party meeting takes place. This is the tradition in the Congress party, and after the meeting takes place, they will assess the mood of the or the wishes of the legislators. The party will also have its point of view, which will be taken into account. नहीं, हम बोल रहा हूँ कैपेसिटी नहीं है, ऐसा बात नहीं है, और भी 2 दिन है. लोग विड्रॉ करना है तो विड्रॉ करने के लिए मौका है. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. वी आर मीटिंग आवर पीपल, विल टॉक टू देम. And if they oblige, we will be grateful.
Our reporter Devidas Kamble with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The political scene has started heating up after multiple revolts. Congress has started damage control exercise. Senior Congress leaders have started offensive against BJP. Shantaram Naik took on Manohar Parrikar on Tuesday, while Biswajit Rane also came out strong against the leader of the opposition party.
Shantaram Naik held a press conference in Congress House in Panji on Tuesday. He alleged Manohar Parrikar for cheating the youths by implementing pre-employment scheme. Naik also alleged that Parrikar has not taken interest in Panji constituency, due to which the Panjikars have to face the garbage problem.
When he was in power, when there were no vacancies in the government, he created a fraud, a bogus scheme called pre-employment scheme. Why could he not solve the garbage issue when he was chief minister? In fact, as MLA also he could have played some role. And I think some of the MLAs of BJP has nursed their constituency better than Parrikar. And today, Panjim has become garbage is primarily because of not taking interest by its own MLAs.
Vishwajit Rane, while addressing press conference in Shioli, also came out strong against Manohar Parrikar.
मनोहर पर्रीकर जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री असलो त्यांनी फक्त गोवा राज्यात प्री एम्प्लॉयमेंट आणि गोवा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट लेबर सोसायटी स्थापन केल्यो आणि जेच्या खातीर आयज पर्यंत ते भुरगे परमनंट जावं शकले ना ते भुरगे आयज पर्यंत रोजगार रेग्युलरायझेशन तेंचे जावंक ना. बीजेपीचो इतिहास आसा 2002 ते 2004 प्री एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड गोवा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टमचे सूत्रधार एंड आर्किटेक्ट मनोहर पर्रीकर हो केन्ना भुरग्यांचो विकास करूंक पावचो ना.
A reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Almost 11 major Congress leaders have revolted against the party. They're annoyed with the denial of tickets to them. BJP's two major leaders have revolted. Rajanta Melo has revolted against the NCP, and within 24 days, Pratap Mardolkar revolted against the MGP. Will these rebels cost dearly for the parties who denied them tickets?
Here is a list of rebels who can change political equations in constituency they are contesting. Kankorn, Congress Isidore Fernandes, BJP Ramesh Tavadkar, Rebel Daya Pagi as independent. Priol Congress Dhaku Madkekar, MGP Deepak Dhaurikar, Rebel Govind Gowde as independent. Kortali Congress Kaitan Xavier, BJP Matani Saldana and Rebel Ramakan Borkar on UGDP. Santa Cruz, Congress Babush Munserat, MGP Dinar Tarkar and Rebel Victoria Fernandes as independent. Fatorda, Congress MK Sheikh, BJP Damu Naik and Rebel Vijay Sardesai as independent. Madgaon Congress Digambar Kamath, BJP Rupesh Mahatme and Rebel Savio Coutinho on Trinamool Congress. Maye, NCP Rudresh Sodankar, BJP Anand Sheth and Rebel Roy Naik as independent. Mandre, Congress Dayanand Sopte, BJP Lakshmikant Parsekar and Samir Sargaonkar as Rebel on Trinamool Congress. Kepe, Congress Babu Korekar, MGP Prakash Arjun Vaip and Rebel Prakash Shankar Vaip as independent. Walpai Congress Vishwajit Rane, BJP Satyavijay Naik, Bell Bandu Desai as independent. Bicholi Congress Rajesh Patnekar, BJP Manohar Shirodkar and Rebel Naresh Sawal as independent. Saligam NCP Suresh Parulekar, BJP Dilip Parulekar, Rebel Trajan de Mello independent. Sange NCP Yuri Alemov, BJP Subhash Fardesai, Rebel Mingalin de Costa GVP. Kutsade Congress Sham Satardekar, BJP Nilesh Kabral, Rebel Paresh Bende independent. And Daboli Congress Movin Gudino, MGP Premanand Nanoskar and Rebel Pratap Mardolkar on Trinamool Congress. Now questions are raised that will these rebels be too expensive for the parties who denied them ticket? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.